Catherine Deloa, 55 years old from Rome, Italy. Today is March 24, 2025. Exactly 1 month ago when I turned 55 years old. And today we will do unboxing. I rarely do unboxing. Stay with me, beautiful people. It's super late na kasi birthday gift ko ito sa sarili ko. I bought this around last week of January kasi sale season here in Italy. Let's open! Excited na ba kayo kung anong laman nitong paper bag na to? Tandaran! It's a bag! Yes, yes, yo! Yes, yes, yo! O, diba? Maganda ba? Question. Am I the only one who only shop pag sale? It is my habit na mahirap tanggalin. I shop madalas twice a year. Winter sale at summer sale. I refuse to pay full price for anything, especially clothes, bags, and shoes. Sayang eh. Mahilig din ako bumili sa ukay-ukay. Ang tawag dito sa Italy ay bangkarela. Yes, I do buy second hand also. Makikita mo naman kung bago pa at most of the time, may tag price pa, hindi pa nasusuot. Reminder, beautiful people, wala yan sa brand. Nasa nagdadala yan. Kahit branded yan kung hindi naman bagay, di ba? Bumibili din ako ng may brand at kahit hindi sale, lalo na pag super bagay sa akin. Yung bang na-love at first sight ako. Sorry talaga, I forgot the exact price. I think more than 50 euros ito. Less 30%. Ang ganda ng kulay, di ba? Mamma mia, I adore this bag from Meridil in this exactly color. The shape, the color, the size, to me it's perfect. Very good quality. Ang kinis at pulido ang pagkagawa. Meridil is made in Italy. I super love the color. Kayo ba? Type nyo rin ang kulay? Catherine Deloa, 55 years old from Rome, Italy. Thank you for watching. Ciao!